And the Spirit of God moved upon the face of the waters, and God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. But what does this actually mean? Let's break it down. Spirit, water, sound, and light. These working parts of creation speak about the physics of the human body. Each one of us, as a spirit, as a part of God, has been gifted a human body, and this body is the Garden of Eden within. According to the book, The Water Codes, 99% of our molecules are made of water. And we know from the work of Masaru Emoto that thought, intention, and prayer affect the structure of the water molecules. In this way, we can see that water is programmable and it also holds memory. We humans are liquid crystals. Inside our molecules are cells containing nuclei, containing chromosomes as the wound up pieces of the DNA helix containing our genetic codes. And according to the scientist Dr. Peter Gardyayev in his laboratory experiments, DNA follows the same structure as human linguistics. DNA is programmed back into health using sound, language, and light, and in particular, coherent light, laser light. And what is so special about laser light is that all of its particles, all of its photons are moving together in unison. They have the same wavelength, they have the same rhythm, and they're all going in the same direction. Our human body absorbs light through the skin into our molecular system, and this light causes internal motion and thermal activity. And this thermal activity is converted in the nucleus of the cell and the mitochondria and turned into electrical energy, which produces ATP. Down to the DNA level, our human body runs on sunlight, and our human body emits light. This is the physics of being a light being, and what we think and say every day affects our internal waters as children in the Garden of Eden, otherwise known as the human body. Spirit, water, light, sound, this is what we are made of as beings created in the image of God. We are creator beings. So what to do with this power? Rudolph Steiner said in a lecture in 1917 that éıRe is the mirror of the Garden of Paradise. But what does that mean? Well, it's kind of simple. Ireland is in the shape of a human fetus, a perfect being in the womb of creation, a human as the Garden of Eden. Therefore, Ireland mirrors the human, a hologram of God's creation. éıRe is the human, and the human is éıRe. In this way, we all have a special connection to God's source through the body of éıRe. So then the question arises, how can we unite all people of the world, every single human as a Garden of Eden fractal hologram? How can we unite all people as one coherent laser beam, one coherent force of spirit, water, sound, and light energy? Well, we speak in unison together, knowing the power of words, knowing the power of attention and that effect on physical reality. But what would we say? Irish language is almost extinct. Irish language is the language of the Garden of Eden. Irish language needs to be resurrected within the heart of every single human. When the 6 verses of Psalm 23 are rearranged according to the patterned speech of Old Irish, 5 verses of 4 lines are presented. This is a reflection of the old language of Om, the language of creation, and what I believe to be a reflection of the 20 amino acids that form the proteins that build our DNA. This is the language of creation. We cannot see sound, but we can feel its power. So to change the visible world, we need to command the realm of the invisible world. We speak as one by speaking the old tongue. One by one, we light up from within as coherent beings of light, knowing we have been gifted the power of creation. Through projections of our thought, our sound, our intention, and our imagination, we are capable of reprogramming our reality in all directions. No protest, no fanfare, a return to what is already there. A spirit of consciousness resides within the heart of every human, waiting to awaken within the seed and the sound of God's given creation. Sheon tirna éıRe, ni vai ein ni dieorim, credin she fein emuhlime, men feglash. Shalon she immel on ishkame, ma vaim swaev nas. Shalon she chlina fir taktume, ma yal anim. Fudoshel fin elaun on durkedish, near voilam on talk. Augustu farum le duchat is dochwakal, hun sole is at hurt dum. Corien tu bod cum beladum, elau her mu navde, un gan tu mu ke on le hula tal mu hupa id ko herish. Lan fig canalta sisbuan grome, go clor de mu hail. Ye diet contiena avarfig me, go bro na breha.